Okay, here goes Sam for the first time ever. Walking with Jake's stroller all by herself. Nice and easy, Sam, okay? Oh my goodness, Sam. Wow, don't touch the table. No, no, no. Come on, walk on the table. Let's see. Look, Sam, look at me. You're on the camera. Look. Come on, let me see you walking with the stroller. I see Jake.
Go ahead. Go to mommy, Lex.
Sam, come on, let's walk.
Go with us, okay? You'll see you later.
Come on, Miss Sam, let's go walk in the stroller. Let me see how you push Jake's stroller.
Cool.
Look at that big girl. Which way? Oh, no, you got to turn. Where do you want to go? That way? Oh, my goodness. Good turning. All by yourself you turned that? Sam, look at you, big girl. You can do it. Come walk to Mama, please. Nice and easy. Walk to Mommy. Oh, my goodness. Come on, miss. Come on, walk first, and then we'll go to... Then you can hold Anna's hand. Come on, walk to Mommy, then you can hold... Ah, boy. Get her hand, like... See her? Turn her. There you go. Okay, come walk to the door, and then you can sit with Anna. Come walk to the door.
Here comes your brother.
Here comes
You gonna
Jake.
race?
Come on, Jakey. Come on, Sam. Oh, my goodness. Look at Miss Samantha all by herself walking. You got it, Sam. You got it. This is the last day of school for Sam, right? You had your last day of school today. You want to go in the potty? No, then walk to the door. Come on. Walk to the door, and we're going to show you. I'll show you on the video what you look like on the computer. Okay? Walk to the door. Okay, get to the door, and then you can stop. Oh my goodness, Sam did it all by herself. Jake, what do you say? Sam did it. What do you say? Yay! Tell her yay! Good job. Cheese. Whoops. Okay, say bye to the camera. Say bye, Sam.
Bye.
Whoops, whoops, whoops. Say bye, Jake. Say I love you. Say bye, I love you. I love you too. Are you cute? You're cute.